Hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. Now, you're looking at this video and I need you to subscribe and to like it, okay? I want to talk to you today about ginger. Now, this video rose out of a desperate need that Berta J had, and here's what happened. I use ginger in many things, but every time I went to my refrigerator to get the ginger, it was moldy and drawn up. It looked wrinkly, and it wasn't really that old. And I thought, what can I do with this? This is what I did. You ready? I decided to freeze it to see, one, if I could, and if I could use it later. So what I did, first washed it. Some of this I actually took a spoon and scraped all of the outside skin off. These that are sliced, I didn't do that. And the ones that without the skin is grated, you could use a box grater for that. And I also chopped it with a knife. When you do the chopping and the shredding, you can find this will be easier, and it's already frozen. Just crunch it. It does stick together, but just take your hand and pull it apart, and you can easily measure it in a measuring spoon. You've got a lot of different ways you can store this. I was so excited about it. Now, ginger, I found out, is just an underground stem. You can easily propagate it. That'll be another video. I used it for tea. That's another video. My smoothies. I just drop a couple of these in. And I know a lot of times I've been given the advice to do like an inch. Well, crowd up enough slices so you can get an inch. Use it in cooking as a spice. Use it for flavoring. Like if you want to make your own ginger ale, this is what ginger ale originally was made out of, was ginger, right here. And the last thing is like a food. Did you know that in Japan, this is what I found out. In Japan, they eat a piece of ginger in between the courses of their meals. And it clears out their palate so they can really taste the food in the next course. So this is a very easy, simple way to preserve your ginger and not worry about whether it's going to be moldy when you go to use it again. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to click on the bell so that the next time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. I appreciate you coming, and I appreciate you listening, and I hope you will use this handy little tip. Bye for now.